Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so I have 3 pots and they're all around about 50 grams. Lost what I'm looking for. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do dragging scales, and this never turns out right for me. So I'm only going to be using 2 micas and a clear. So let me wipe this little drop. Alright, so I have this Pharaoh from Nail Tech Supplies. It is a very gold pigment, and I'm thinking I might put all of that in here. Because it's quite a lot. Or most of, anyway. And for the other colour I'm doing, Cinderella, again from Nail Tech Supplies. This is a light blue, so let's put in a good chunk of that in there as well. We'll see how they mix up. I've never done the dragon scales successfully, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, look at that. It's like liquid gold. Ooh. I just need to give it a really good stir. Oh, gosh. It looks like melted gold. Like literal gold melted down. Beautiful. Put that in the wrong one, but we'll keep it nonetheless. Let's grab another spoon and we'll mix this one up. This is a super light metallic blue. Interested to see what happens to the blue, if it actually works. Alright, so it's a good mix. Okay, right, so I'm going to put a bit of clear in first. And then the blue. Half of this, I think. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and then in with the gold. There we go. Bit of the clear in between. Just wait a second. It's a blast. And then and the gold again. Probably too much gold, but I like gold. A bit more of the blue. And finish off with a little bit of the clear. See if we can put any more in there. Should be okay. All right. We'll come back in a while and see what happens. All right. I'll see you soon. All right. We're ready to unmold. It's looking interesting. A little bit of the hole in the center, but it's fine. I was hoping that we wouldn't have that, but never mind. Not fully cured, so got to be a little bit gentle. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look. So most of the blue seems to be on this side, so I have a feeling that it is going to be very gold on the other side. Let's find out. Let's look at the sides. Oh, I can see a lot of the so bendy. A lot of the interference mica. All right, are we ready? Wow, it's very off center. It's probably because I did like shift the mold over and it probably wasn't level. Never mind. The outside looks really cool. So the blue has like an interference shift in it. So it's kind of given this like sheen, pearl blue sheen. I really like that though. I love how the Crackle, the scales has turned out. Super shame about that, but could always do like a centre for it. Let's have a gander what I've got. I mean, I've mostly got kind of like Christmas stuff out right now. But let's see, we could do, yeah, look, snowflake. Hang on, see if we've got anything else. Or better yet, and you, I think this will be too small and I can't open the bag. Fabulous. Oh my god, I can't open it. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Yeah, they're way too small. So I could do something in the centre and then give it another coat. I'll have to have a look at what I can find. Okay. It's mainly kind of Christmas stuff that I've put in here. And you could even do some holly in the centre and be like, oh, it was for Christmas. But yeah, I think for now, I do want to do a coat on top because it's not super shiny like I like it to be, because these are just absolutely knackered. Looks really nice though. Yay! I would have loved like more of the blue to show through, or at least it to mix and go green, but it didn't. It stayed completely separate. And of course it gave it like the interference shift on the sides. I need to let that cure properly. I'm thinking as well, do I do an outline or do I not? Because I kind of have an outline with the blue and I don't want to ruin it. But I don't really know. Maybe just, I kind of like the sides as well though. So I might just leave it as is and just not do anything to it. Maybe just a centerpiece somehow. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. In the meantime, I will take some photos in the daylight, when it is daylight, because it is currently 6:20 in the evening and it's been dark for like nearly 3 hours now. So yes, so pretty. All right guys, have a fabulous, very Merry Christmas, and I will see you just after. Thank you for the support thus far, should I say, speak properly. And I hope Santa gets you everything that you want for Christmas. Bye.